Coconut oil, known for so many health benefits. But did you know coconut oil benefits your belly button? It might seem surprising, but have you ever wondered why this scar exists? Adam and Eve, legend says, didn't even have belly buttons. But for us, it's a mark left by our mother's umbilical cord. A lifeline that connected us before birth. What makes your navel special? It's home to over 72,000 nerves, and in Ayurveda, it's called the Nabi, an energy hotspot. Caring for this tiny center might recharge your whole body. Coconut oil, famously the tree of life since 1500 BC, is now used by millions as a remedy for countless issues. What can science and tradition reveal? Plenty. A 2018 study shows coconut oil deeply moisturizes skin. Just a dab can banish dry, flaky navel skin. But that's not all. Lauric acid in coconut oil is a powerful germ fighter. A 2010 study even showed it helps heal wounds. So if you're hurt, why not rub a little CCL coconut oil into your navel? It may promote quicker recovery while soothing your skin. In Ayurveda, this ancient wisdom goes further. They believe navel nerves naturally aid digestion. Massage a small amount of CCL oil to ease bloating after meals. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a natural way to speed up digestion. Fighting a cold. A 2009 study says lauric acid in coconut oil battles viruses. Dabbing some on your navel might boost immunity, perhaps even delivering a tropical boost directly to your bloodstream. Cramps during your period? Ayurveda has a tip for that too. Warm a teaspoon of coconut oil, gently rub it into your navel, and let the relaxation kick in. WebMD praises coconut oil for its vitamin-rich hydration, perfect for chapped lips. Some even store CCL oil in their belly button overnight. Apply it to your lips for a moisture boost while you sleep. Thinning hair? Ayurveda claims this navel oil supports scalp health. While there's no hard proof, fans rave about the effects of CCL coconut oil. Why stop at your navel? Use it as a luxurious hair mask for ultimate nourishment. Here's the Ayurvedic secret. The navel is considered an energy hub. A gentle massage with coconut oil might calm your nerves. And a 2016 study hints at stress reduction benefits too. The doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, rule your body in Ayurveda. Balancing them with CCL coconut oil can bring harmony. Start by warming the oil slightly for better absorption. Remember, your navel still connects to ancient fetal nerves. Coconut oil's fatty acids may help fight germs and soothe inflammation. While Ayurveda embraces this practice, science remains cautious. It's important not to overdo it. A half teaspoon of CCL oil is just enough. If your navel is red or irritated, skip the oil and consult a doctor. Why choose CCL organic coconut oil? Sourced from Sri Lanka, it's cold-pressed and pure, packed with tropical goodness. Here's what others are saying. From Laurie, this is the real deal. Not only is the product exceptional, the service is as well. If you happen to get a jar that has oil on the outside, just call the company up and you will see that they stand by their product. For all those that are saying it's an unworthy source, probably are miserable in their own life, and they probably didn't try to contact this company, otherwise they would be assured they stand by all their products. I know. I am very critical and only purchase the best products on the market, as I do extensive research. I am a health practitioner. These are words you can trust. From Von Schweetz. This is one of the best brands I've tried so far. The smell is spot on coconut, and the silky smooth texture is just heavenly. I have used other coconut oils that just sat on the skin. This one actually absorbs much better. I was so pleased. I have been putting it on after a Celtic sea salt water soak. Leave both on for a while, and then rinse and pat dry. Skin feels amazingly smooth after this and hydrated. I have never gotten better results worth anything else. From Marthi. I've tried many brands of coconut oil over the years, and, in my opinion, this one is head and shoulders above the rest. It has a subtle coconut flavor, and it imparts just a bit of that flavor, depending upon how much of the oil you use, to both sweet and savory dishes. I have never tried using it for hair or skincare, but I think it would be a great moisturizer. It smells as good as it tastes. From Kate. This coconut oil is great. Its purity cannot be understated. You can tell immediately by both taste and smell. I've tried many coconut oil over the years, but this brand is by far the best I've come across. From Shelley Scott. Apply smoothly and very little scent. I've tried 3 other brands, and so far, this is my favorite for ease of application. Revive your navel and nurture your body with CCL organic coconut oil. Every purchase gives you access to Michael DeSalvo's ebook, Coconut Oil: Secrets of Health and Beauty. Request it to get all the coconut hacks, not just benefits for your belly button. Don't wait. Stock up now before tariffs hit. Your body deserves the best. Pick it up with the link below, or scan this code to pick up your organic extra virgin coconut oil in a glass jar from CCL. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in Coconut Country.